My name is Wayne Smith, and this is my wife Marlene, and we have had the energy improvement for 8 months, and we are real satisfied with it. There's real even heat throughout the house. We definitely need this energy improvement in our house because of my wife's cancer, and I have had cancer, and it's really evenly heated and cooled throughout the whole house. It has saved us. I've got a list up here I brought tonight of what it has done to our house. Over the 8 months, we've never had, it's averaged $90.12 for the 8 months that we have, and before that we've had, in our other home that we had, our bills was $190 to $200 and some dollars a month. And when you average $90.12, folks, this is a seller for me.